All right, family, look. Dollar Tree have so many new items. Check this out. They have the tropical coconut lotion. This is $1.25. But wait, there's much more where that came from. Check this. So I know you're probably thinking like, Dina, is this Bath and Body Works? No, my love, this is Dollar Tree. Listen, passion fruit escape scent, ultimate moisture body lotion, cabana kiwi scent, and then they also have the pineapple sunset scent. Ultimate moisture, $1.25. This is a steal deal, my love. So I heard that you was looking for something new, some fancy mancy items. What about this? Honey, they have a whole collection. So this is the nail art rhinestones. These are cute. Get into this. You see this? You see this, friend? $1.25. Absolutely love it. So if you are looking for some new items, you definitely tuned in. Honey, I'm gonna have you move your feet to the beat out in these streets. Check this out. Oh, absolutely love this. Look at this. Affirmations, anyone, I am fearless. 2-in-1 strip lash. These are $1.25. 3D folks mink lashes. Not only do they have that, they also have my happy pills. Now, the ones I like is these because they more so on the natural side. They also have I Am Worthy. I know that's right, okay? And these are from Ayani Hair Filling Lashes. Choose Happy. Ooh, child. Radiant Positivity. They also have, again, I Am Worthy. Remember to slow down, okay, honey? You want to make sure you're slowing down. Get a scent of the roses, okay? Life moves so quick. Bring out your best. I know that's right. They also have these fancy mancy glossy lip balms over here. This is cute. Pomegranate. They also have the fruit extract lip glaze. Chill. Green apple. And if you really was like, you know what, Dina, I need some nails. Dollar Tree said, listen, we got you on a place 1, 2, 3. This is the nail art tips. They also have more of the fruit extract. And this one is grape. So this one is green apple. They also have the tweezers, the cuticle oil. And honey, get into this. Optimist Glow. I know that's right. Ocean Dew. They also have the nail art 3D stickers. These are cute. Nail art chrome powder. And they also have the nail art juice. Check this out. If you guys have not seen these, I absolutely love these. These are delightful. These are the Velvet Nails Magnetic Powder Finish. They come in 3 different colors. And let me tell you something. As I'm recording, the temptation is real. They have the purple, they have the light blue, and then they also have this dark blue. Now, if you guys have not seen this, this is the lip gloss Alice in Wonderland. You get 2 for $1.25. They also have Lady and the Tramp, child, nourishing lip balm, 2 for $1.25. Moana lip balm, honey, same as that concept. Dollar Tree said, listen, we're going to have you out here moving your feet to the beat out in these streets. And the amazing thing that I love about this is so much is so many choices, you know. Now, if you guys have not already seen these are the voice-controlled tabletop lamp. Now, somebody had opened this already. Oh, it do has a wire inside. Honey, how you guys feel about this? You think they less on that? My loves, have you guys seen the back-to-school items yet? Check this out. Absolutely love this. This is a pencil case. This is $1.25. Movie groovy. So you get 8 of these for $1.25. Erasers, they have mechanical pencils. They have more erasers, $64.25. Honey, that's a steal deal. Like, holy Phil. Race car pens. Amani is so excited to show you guys. Those are $1.25 as well. Scented perfume erasers. Sweet strawberry, well banana sour, apple, juicy blueberry, groovy grape, groovy movie, $1.25. Fidget pens, they also have $1.25. Now, Dollar Tree also had their composition books. The thing that I absolutely loved about this, $1.25. They also have journals over here. Tap into your creativity. I know that's right. Choose Happy. or you could choose sad. Honey, the choice is yours. They also have these journals over here. Honey, this is a movie groovy. Absolutely love this. They also have good vibes only composition books. That is so nice. And of course, they have the regular composition notebooks as well. $1.25. More academic planners, 2025 to 2026. Honey, you're going to be jotting down those tests that you need to take. They also have 200 sheets, filler paper, binders, $1.25. Folders, $1.25. Honey, they are out here delivering. Oh, this journal is really, really cute. Lies this, so you get 60 sheets for $1.25. Really, really cool. Peace, family. Peace, peace, peace. I hope you guys are having such a glorious day. If not, do understand and get your day, your life is going to get better, honey, once you change your perception. Book for today, The Richest Man in Babylon. Great read, especially when you about to go into Dollar Tree. Now, we gonna see if Dollar Tree is gonna have us move our feet to the beat out in these streets. Let's see what Dollar Tree working with, huh? If you guys are looking for weekly planners, Dollar Tree definitely has them. They come in different colors. They have the black, the purple, also the orange. Love these. I believe these are $1.50 if I'm not mistaken, okay? 2026. This is so cool. And then they also have the animal theme, the cats, the dogs, the butterflies. They also have the waterfalls, the beaches. They also have palms, okay? Honey, you need to get some scripture. Honey, you may want to get this one. Other items that are a must. Now, I'm speaking from experience, doll faces, okay? Dollar Tree has the Georgia Peach Volumizing Conditioner. Now, I had got the body wash that is. It smells so good. Now, Dollar Tree also have the body wash coconut vanilla scented. Thumbs up. They also have the sea salt cedar scented. Smells absolutely divine. New item at Dollar Tree. Honey, get into this, girls. This is a lap trap tray. Honey, where I get trap? This is a lap tray. These are $5. They come in 3 different colors. They have the blue, they have the yellow, also the red. They also have all a back to school items, like these poppers over here, these keychain poppers. These are cute. Absolutely love this. This is $1.25. If you guys have not seen or heard, do understand that Dollar Tree items are going up. Some of the items already went up, $1.50, $1.75 for select items. Now, back to school items, these 3D erasers, honey, $1.25. They also have the poster markers with washable ink. This is $1.25. Really cool. If you need to practice trace and write with your children, activity book, Dollar Tree definitely has it. They have some insulated lunch bags over here. These are $5. These are still deal like Holyfield, honey. I absolutely love the black and silver one. Backpacks, anyone? $5. They also have these My Little Pony backpacks. Ooh, for the preschoolers, okay? And then they also have these backpacks, see-through. These are $5. A Bluey, Barbie. Honey, my children, they act like they too old for these, okay? I showed them the other day. They was like, we don't like none of them. They also have Marvel Heroes. These lunch bags over here, these are $5. These are so cute. Now, Dollar Tree also have the drawstring bags over here that has the zipper right here. Oh, I like that. And then they come in different colors. They have the gray, the blue, the black, the pink. These are $1.25. So if you really want to make a statement the next time you go into that cookout, honey, you're going to come to Dollar Tree and get you some sunflower shades, okay? $1.25. And you may be like, Dina, those are for children. Honey, bring your inner child out, because right now you acting too uptight. All right, family, let me know in the comment section, what was your favorite item? Mine definitely was Ayani new items. The lip gloss, those were really, really cute. And those nails, honey, those was fancy. $1.25. With that being said, keep on rocking out, believing in yourself, keep on going, keep on growing. Honey, I'm waiting for my 2 little ones to come out. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.